Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the help section in the Trainline application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the help section, click on the help and FAQ button. And if you scroll down, you will see that there are several categories that you can choose from. So for example, if you have any problems or questions on account and payments, then just click on that button. And within this are further categories. So for example, if your payment is rejected, then you can find this question and just click on that, and there will be a very detailed description on the problem that is very helpful. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.